Okay, in this video, we're going to go over validating your Open AP import. So to start, I'm going to show you how to build a custom AP aging summary that includes the Vendor Internal ID. And then I'm going to show you how to bring that data into my template that's available in the course notes. So to start, we're just going to go to Reports, Vendors, AP Aging, and then I'm going to click Customize Summary. And I'm going to name this Optimal Data AP Aging Summary. And then under Vendor, I'm going to click on this little icon, and then I'm going to check Internal ID. And then I'm just going to move this over to the left, and I'm going to call this Vendor Internal ID. And click Save. And so now I've got my report, and it's as of the go live date, which was 11/30/2023. And all I simply did was add this Vendor Internal ID column. All right, and so now I'm going to go ahead and export this to Excel. All right, so now I'm going to go over to my template, and I'm going to copy and paste the AP Aging summary from QuickBooks and the custom AP Aging that I just created in NetSuite. If you don't know how to run a summary AP Aging out of QuickBooks, there's instructions in the class notes. So I have mine right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and take the totals. I'm just going to copy those, and I'm going to bring those into my template, copy and paste those in. You can see that I've got a lookup from my name map that is pulling in the NetSuite internal ID from my name map. So that formula, these formulas will update. So if you have more vendors on the list, just make sure and copy and paste those down. And then I'm going to grab my AP Aging from QuickBooks. I'm just going to click Vendor, grab the total. I'm going to say yes. And then you can see here that I need to copy and paste my formula down. And again, you can see that this is pulling in based on the QuickBooks internal ID. And so this is looking really good because my totals all match. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a formula on the total as well. So there we go. So now I can see that by vendor, my balance ties both from NetSuite is comparing to QuickBooks, and then it's working the other way as well, where I've got comparing both reports. So I have completeness and accuracy on both sides. And in my opinion, this has worked for just about all of my clients for their auditors. Again, I would recommend just double checking with your audit firm to make sure that they don't need any more detail than this. Okay, with that, again, this template is available for you to download, and it should be pretty straightforward to use. But that wraps up the Open AP import process. And in the next section of the course, we're going to go over doing the exact same thing, except on the accounts receivable side. All right, we will see you in the next section.